The dire scenario that black men find themselves in is nothing new, dating back to almost 200 years before this country was founded. At various times throughout our struggle, heroes emerged to move us collectively closer to a better tomorrow. Frederick Douglass, Booker T. Washington, W.E.B. Du Bois, Martin Luther King Jr., and Malcolm X were no more or less human than either one of us, but found a way to elevate our experience. Just like those heroes in times past, the heroes of today walk among us. They are our coaches, chefs, artists, and developers. They are our politicians and police. If there ever was a time when we needed a hero, it's now. This is the hero of 1,000 faces,